Hi, my name is Sunny Park, and this is my quiz 9 for Computer Science 110. For this quiz, we're made to roll a dice 5 times and put it into a list. And we stop rolling the dice until the sum of the list equals to 15 and the number 4 only occurs once. So I did that by creating a function that acts as a dice roll, and also a function that counts how much times a number 1 through 6 occurs within the list. So I can just start the program, and as you can see, it keeps going until it reaches this list over here. The sum of it equals 15 and the number 4 only occurs once. And also there's a counter that counts how much times we've had to restart the loop to get the results, which is 24 times for this start of the program. So we can keep trying just to show that it works. So this one, 21, 4 only occurs once, and 15 is the sum. You can try it again. Oh, we got lucky this time. 4 only shows up once, 15, and it's been rolled 3 times. So yeah, as you can see, it seems to be working. And yeah, thank you.